Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. Today, it's a quick little itty bitty teeny tiny Sephora haul. First up, I got the Makeup Forever Pore Minimizer Step 1 Primer. This is a 24-hour smoothing base. I did opt for the mini. It was on sale on Sephora and I got it because I am panning and using up this little mini that I did receive, and this is one of the very few that claim to be pore minimizing and blurring that actually does the job. I swear by this. I think it is a beautiful, beautiful formula. It doesn't offer hydration, and for me, I need hydration because of my dry skin, so I do make sure I'm well moisturized before going in with this. But if you do have textured skin, larger pores, I highly recommend it. Matter of fact, I've been raving about this to friends, and my friend Jess just went and purchased it, so it's fantastic. So if you do see it, especially on sale, I highly, highly recommend. Next up, I may try this with you guys really quickly. This is the Peter Thomas Roth, the Instant Firm Lip Filler Plumping Peptide Complex. Plumping Peptide Complex. Say that 3 times fast, y'all. And that is what it looks like. This was also on sale. I will take off the little bit of lip oil I have and try it with you guys. Next up, I got the First Aid Beauty or Fab Beauty, the Whole Body Deodorant Cream, 24-hour odor control, aluminum free, and safe for sensitive skin. That is something I really love about First Aid Beauty. I have used them for many years, and I do have rosacea. I do have very sensitive and very reactive skin, and their products are perfection. And it is in a fresh citrus scent. I've used quite a few products like this, so I'm kind of intrigued. I do use their like anti-chafe stick. I use their facial radiance pads, their overnight cream. Like I love this brand. So this was also on sale, so I grabbed that. Then I also got the Huda Beauty Empowered Palette. I've actually wanted this and been eyeing it since it came out. And it was 50% off, so I only paid $35 for it. And I had some points, so I didn't even pay that much for it. So I do actually want to open this up and see what it looks like in person. I'm oddly enough in the middle of going through all of my palettes and doing my makeup declutter and palette declutter, so did I really need to add to my collection? No, but I've been looking at it for a long time. I do love the packaging. Oh, yes, that is beautiful. I don't really like this little kind of weird shade right here. I'm not a fan of those, but I do like the general color story. Oh, I'm so excited about this. If you tried this, let me know. Then I also picked up my favorite cotton pads. Of course, you don't have to spend that much money, but they were on sale too for 50% off. They're the Shiseido Facial Cotton. The reason that I like these so much is, again, like I said, I have very sensitive, reactive skin. These are incredibly soft, like a beautiful brushed cotton t-shirt type of soft, but I like to use these types of things when I'm removing specifically eye makeup, and a lot of times, obviously, brow products, mascaras, and stuff like that can be a little harder to remove. And when I do go in with some pads with my micellar water or makeup remover, I get little clumps and little fuzzies all through my mascara, through my lashes, and my brows. These do not do that. They do not leave that weird lint. They don't leave little fuzzies and lint and stuff like that. So I love these. I swear by them. I think they're great. You can also pick them up sometimes at Marshall's, just FYI. And then this was kind of a stupid purchase, but they were 50% off and I thought they were really pretty. Like, I'm actually going to put some on today with this look and take pictures. But this is the Semi Haze, the Eye Play Gem Pack. Now, the original price on this was $38. No way in absolute literal hell would I ever pay $38 for them. I really didn't want to pay $15 for them, but they were on sale for 15 bucks. But there's beautiful eye gems, obviously 3 sets, so that you can do 3 different looks. And you could do them more as like eyeliner, or for me, I like to go above the hood of the lid and do the looks with that. But I really like that this is just going to happen. This just came, by the way, and I did not plan this, but those are going to match perfectly with the look I have on today. I do have on the brand new Nomad Cosmetics, the Fuji 5 Lakes palette. You can use non-affiliated code RIRI10 for 10% off. And then, of course, you get to pick out freebies. So they had a thing that day that if you spent like 80 bucks, you got 2 whatevers. So I got the De Bronzy from First. I got the Drunk Elephant De Bronzy drops. And then I've tried the Mizani, like the little shampoo and conditioner, and then the thing in the white bottle, but I've never tried this one. But this is the Mizani Cocoa Dew Curl Pre-Styling Spray for curls that feel moisturized with coconut extract. And I do have wavy hair. It's not necessarily curly hair, but I thought this would be really nice, and it sounded great. So I picked that with that. And then for my actual 2 free samples, I got the Giorgio Armani, the Acqua di Gio, and I got the Dr. Barbara Sturm Glow Drops. And I just kind of typically throw these. I have a resale group on Facebook. I throw them in packages and stuff like that. So that is my little haul. I do very quickly want to test this out. And it says it is clinically proven to immediately improve the look of lips, the plumpness, and lip lines. Why? Why do brands do this? Why do brands do this? Anyways, in just 5 minutes, 100% of people agreed that their lips felt soft and less dry. I mean, duh. 91% agreed that the lips looked more plump with added moisture, and 91% agreed that the lines on the lips appeared smoother and less noticeable. We're gonna put that to the test. Let me wipe the little bit of oil that I have off. So, you see a before. You can very visibly see my lip lines and stuff like that. I have just very dry skin. Obviously, I'm 45. I'm gonna have a little bit of texture and lines and stuff like that. But if you do have smoker's lines, this might also be something for you. So let me see what the directions say. Apply directly to clean dry lips and on or around your lip lines. A slight tingling after the application is quite normal. Wait at least 3 minutes before applying any other lip products. This can be used alone as a lip primer or an overnight lip treatment. Oh, okay, that sounds pretty damn cool. I do like the packaging. I do like this. I am not going to put this on my lips in the case that I do not like it, because then I can gift it, sell it, whatever, send it back. All right, it seems quite thick, which I was not anticipating. And it is the most sheer baby doll pinky blushy shade. That kind of feels like a primer. It doesn't feel like a lip product. And that's thick, y'all, look. It smells slightly minty, which is not my favorite. I don't like mint in makeup products. I don't know why, but I just don't. Here's immediately after. Let me wait 3 minutes and I'll be right back. All right, it's been more like 6 or 8-ish minutes. I did go ahead and put those little gems on. Super easy, super impactful. I think they look beautiful. Would I ever pay full price? Absolutely not. All right, the lip product. It doesn't look any different to me personally as far as like a plumping effect, which I know that for some people plumping just means like it looks plump and juicy, so I see that. As far as like fullness, I don't really see a difference. I do see a little bit of a diminishment of my lines. It does feel nice. It does feel soothing. It feels incredibly hydrating. And it does feel thick enough that you could wear it overnight and it would actually stay on the lips. So I don't think I'd pay full price for it just based on like the claims and stuff like that. Does it look pretty? Does it look okay while I use it up? Sure. I don't know that I would repurchase it. And if I did repurchase it, it would be on sale. So I would not pay full price for it. So yeah, that is my little Sephora haul. Are any of these products on your wish list? Are any of these your favorites? Comment down below. Let me know. Let's have that conversation. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you to my beautiful channel members. I love you. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.